Click on the link below to get price. The Anden Aprilaire Industrial Dehumidifier, model DH11820, offers exceptional moisture control for large spaces, making it an ideal solution for basements, warehouses, and manufacturing facilities. With a robust capacity to remove up to 70 pints of moisture per day, this dehumidifier effectively combats dampness and prevents mold growth, ensuring a healthier environment. One of the standout features of the DH11820 is its durability. Designed for heavy-duty industrial use, the unit is built with high-quality materials, which provide resilience against the rigors of demanding environments. The sleek white finish allows it to blend seamlessly into various settings while maintaining a professional appearance. Ease of operation is another significant advantage. The digital control panel is user-friendly, allowing for straightforward adjustments to humidity settings. Additionally, the built-in humidistat automatically adjusts operation based on the environment, ensuring optimal moisture levels without constant manual intervention. The DH11820 operates efficiently, with energy-saving features that reduce operational costs. Its low noise levels are a notable highlight, making it suitable for locations where noise can be disruptive. The unit also includes a continuous drainage option, which simplifies maintenance and eliminates the need for regular emptying of the water reservoir. However, it's important to consider the size and weight of the dehumidifier. At 70 pints, it is relatively heavy, making installation and relocation a two-person job. Nonetheless, the robust wheels facilitate mobility once it's in place. In terms of warranty and customer service, Anden Aprilaire offers reliable support, which is reassuring for potential buyers. Overall, the DH11820 is an excellent investment for those needing an effective, long-lasting dehumidification solution. Its combination of performance, durability, and user-friendly features make it a standout option in the industrial dehumidifier market, delivering the moisture control necessary for maintaining a healthy, dry environment.